Hey y'all, I done got comfortable, I got sleepy, took my glasses off, but I want to make this healthy vegan. It's not, I don't know if it's healthy. Just be real. It's supposed to be healthy vegan cookie dough bar. So I'm gonna make it. I found me some peanut butter. I'm really upset because it's old fashioned creamy, unsalted, almost $7. Ooh, I got to hide this because they're not gonna be eating my peanut butter, you know. I'm gonna hide it. Surely is. Lord, I see why I ain't got no salt and much water they had on top of it. They had to stir something. You don't play with me for $7. You ought to be thinking of a snicker. Anyways, she used it. I'm sleepy. She used a mixer. I'm just gonna be doing what I do. Okay, so a cup of almond flour. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sleepy, but I want something sweet. I shouldn't be eating nothing sweet this time of night. That means I'm gonna do it anyway. Lord have mercy. Okay. And 1/3 cup of maple syrup. It's a lot of maple syrup. It's a lot of maple syrup. Then we'll use 3/4 cup of this lovely, lovely, lovely peanut butter. Give me all my stuff. My stuff to be nice and healthy. And sweet. Okay, 3/4. Look, y'all. It's like I could just pour this, you know? Peanut butter ain't like that, is it? Ain't no salt in it, so it ain't gonna hurt me. About to use the thing up. I tried to stir it up. Peanut butter never hurt. Oh, y'all can't see. Peanut butter never hurt nobody. Okay. Let me get this out of here. And then I'm gonna add some vanilla flavor. Give me all of man. A teaspoon of vanilla. And then, some chocolate chips. I don't have chocolate chips. I just have my vegan candy bar. And so I crunched it up. No salt. I'm happy though. Okay. I'm the only one I'm eating it, so it's okay. And you're gonna mix this all together till you make a little batter. Because like I said, I was not getting ready to use the little blender just for this. I could just stir it up myself. Stir it up, stir it up. Stir it up, stir it up. I know y'all think we crazy. Mommy now. I just don't want no more of this almond flour to be showing. Okay. And I'm sure you can add other stuff to it, like nuts and stuff if you wanted to. But I'm trying it this way first, and then if I like this, I got some healthy protein. I forget what they call. Almost Alright, I'm gonna get my pan together. I'll be right back. Alright, it didn't tell me to do this. But I want like a single, like a Reese cup type of a thing. Okay, there's my dough. So I'm just gonna put some, I sprayed this even though I know it's not gonna be cooked. And then I know this is definitely more work, but I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna put it in each one. Once I get it in there, I'm gonna spread it out and flatten it up and melt some chocolate and add it on top like a Reese. Just hold on. Okay, sometimes you have to rig some stuff up. So I sprayed the little thing. I got me a medicine cup. Push it down in there. Hold on. Give me a little stuff on the spoon. Oh, you didn't come up. So stay in there now. Get your little something on the spoon. Push it in there with the butter knife, and there you go. I'll be back. All right, y'all. See, I put them in little like cups. And I also got me one. Okay, so then I put a little coconut oil and then melted some chocolate. And so I'm just gonna, whoo, that's hot. Jesus. I'm just gonna put a little chocolate on each one. So when it freezes, there's chocolate on top. And then I'll come back with a picture. All right, y'all. There you have it. Now you stick them in the freezer. And you let them get hard. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I did wait up to let the sucker free. So you're just greedy. Okay, so it's like a little Reese's head. Look at that cookie dough. I don't really like cold stuff. Let me just take a bite. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know who recipe this was, because there's so much TikTok videos or so many, but thank you. Ooh.